Addition. Addition of two-digit numbers without carrying. Come on children, let us add both these numbers. 12 balls and 14 piggy boxes. Arrange the numbers in column. Add ones first. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Write 6 below the ones column. Now add tens. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 2 below the tens column. So, the answer is 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. Let us see another example. Let us add 24 ice creams and 13 turtles. Arrange them in column. Add ones first. 4 plus 3 is 7. Write 7 below the ones column. Now add the tens column. 2 plus 1 is 3. Write 3 below the tens column. So, the answer is 24 plus 13, which is equal to 37. Addition of 3 rows without carrying. Add 24, 10 and 13. Arrange them in a column. First add the ones column. 4 plus 0 plus 3 is 7. Write 7 below the ones column. Next add the tens column. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Write 4 below the tens column. Therefore, 24 plus 10 plus 13 is equal to 47. Example 2. Add numbers 4, 53 and 22. Arrange them in columns. First add the ones column. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. Write 9 below the ones column. Now add the tens column. 0 plus 5 plus 2 is 7. Write 7 below the tens column. Therefore, 4 plus 53 plus 22 is equal to 79. Addition of two-digit numbers with carrying. Let us understand this with some examples. Example 1. Add the numbers 19 and 52. Arrange them in columns. Add the ones column. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. We cannot write 11, which is a two-digit number, below the ones column. So, here we write the ones number of 11 below the ones column, that is 1, and carry over the tens number of 11, that is 1, to the top of the tens column. Now, add the tens column. 1 plus 5 plus 1, which is the carryover number. We get 7. So, 19 plus 52 is equal to 71. Method 2. 19 is equal to 1 tens plus 9 ones. 52 is equal to 5 tens plus 2 ones. Totally, we have 6 tens and 11 ones. 11 ones can further be split into 1 tens and 1 ones. Add this 1 tens to 6 tens. We get 7 tens, and the remaining ones is 1 1. So, we get 7 tens and 1 ones, which is equal to 71. Example 2. Add the numbers 33 and 48. Arrange them in columns. Add the ones column. 3 plus 8 is 11. We cannot write 11, which is a two-digit number, below the ones column. So, here we write the ones number of 11 below the ones column, that is 1, and carry over the tens number of 11, that is 1, to the top of the tens column. Now add the tens column. 3 plus 4 plus 1, which is the carryover number. We get 8. So 33 plus 48 is equal to 81. The sum of a number and 0. There are 4 flowers in the first box and there are no flowers or 0 flowers in the second box. So when we add 4 plus 0, we get 4 only. So 0 added to any number will give the number itself. Here there are 3 fishes in the first box and no fishes or 0 fishes in the second box. So when we add 3 plus 0, we get 3 as the answer. Addition of 3-digit number without carrying. Example 1. Add 124 and 343. Arrange the numbers in a column. First add ones column. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Write 7 below the ones column. Next add tens column. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Write 6 below the tens column. Now add the hundreds column. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Write 4 below the hundreds column. Therefore, 124 plus 343 is equal to 467. Example 2. Add 251 and 137. Arrange the numbers in column. First add ones column. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Write 8 below the ones column. Next add tens column. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Write 8 below the tens column. Now add the hundreds column. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Write 3 below the hundreds column. So, when we add 251 plus 137, we get 388. Addition of 3-digit numbers with carrying. Example 1. Add 374 and 137. Arrange the numbers in column. First add ones column. 4 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 11 ones. 11 ones is equal to 1 tens plus 1 ones. Write 1 below the ones column and carry over 1 tens to the tens column. Now add the tens column. 1 tens, which is the carryover number, plus 7 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 11 tens. 11 tens is equal to 1 hundreds and 1 tens. Write 1 tens below the tens column and carry over the 1 hundreds to the hundreds column. Now add the hundreds column. 1 carryover number 100 plus 3 hundreds plus 1 hundreds is equal to 5 hundreds. Write 5 below the hundreds column. So adding 374 and 137, we get 511. Example 2. Add 456 and 526. Arrange the numbers in a column. First add ones column. 6 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 12 ones. 12 ones is equal to 1 tens plus 2 ones. Write 2 below the ones column and carry over 1 tens to the tens column. Now add the tens column. 1 tens, which is the carryover number, plus 5 tenths plus 2 tenths is equal to 8 tenths. Write 8 below the tens column. Now add the hundreds column. 4 hundredths plus 5 hundredths is equal to 9 hundredths. Write 9 below the hundreds column. So adding 456 and 526, we get 982. Word problems. Example 1. In a library, there are 341 science books and 253 mathematics books. How many books are there altogether in the library? Solution. Let us arrange the numbers in a column. Number of science books 341. Number of mathematics books 253. Add ones column. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Add tens column. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Add hundreds column. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. On adding 341 and 253, we get 594. So, the total number of books in the library is 594. Example 2. A cap seller had 250 red caps, 321 blue caps, and 224 green caps. How many caps are there in all? Arrange the numbers in a column. Number of red caps 250. Number of blue caps 321. Number of green caps 224. Add ones column. 0 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Add the tens column. 5 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 9. Add the hundreds column. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 7. So, the total number of caps is equal to 795.